Okay, go for it. I had to hit him, and I tried to give him momentum, but it just slowed me down and bounced right back.
You know what I did? I didn't go fast enough from the beginning.
I know, you slowed me right down, man. I hit you and I bounced backwards.
I felt it, dude, because I did first gear right away. Hopped in the
Here, I'm gonna go help him first. Yeah, I'll show him the easy way. Are you gonna go that way or are you going all the way up?
All the way up.
Okay, you gotta do it. Full send, man. Give her speed. You got this.
I'm with you.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, it's all recording, bud. Hey.
Yeah. Hey. We tried. Yo, start it. Start it.
Do you know how to start this?
It's in, put it in neutral. Oh, you're pushing us.
Don't let go. Oh.
Yeah.
Good, no,
Here, I'll get up. I'll get up. I'll get up.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!